Hello children, I hope you have watched the previous video and understood the topic taught. In the last video, we discussed about the various nutrients present in our food. So let us recall the different nutrients present in food. These nutrients include carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. Now carbohydrates and fats, they are energy giving nutrients. Proteins, body building nutrients. Vitamins and minerals are protective nutrients. Now we have already learned about carbohydrates and proteins. So now let us learn about the other three nutrients. We'll begin with fats. Are energy giving nutrients. Now fats are energy giving nutrients. They are the richest source of energy and they give us twice as much energy as carbohydrates. Now fats are also stored by our body for future use. So in case of fasting or starvation, the body uses the stored fats to give energy. But fats should be consumed in a limit. Why? Because intake of too much of fats is harmful for our body because it gets deposited, and if we do not burn it, we become obese and may also suffer from diseases like diabetes, heart problems, etc. So what is the lesson for us? That we should consume fats in a limit. Now what are the food sources of fats? Where do we get it from? We get fats from butter, ghee, oil, nut, cheese and meat. All these food items contain fat. So, if we have to consume fats, these are the food sources where we can get it from. So let's make sure not to eat excess of these food items. Why so? Because it may make us overweight or obese. So that's about fats. Moving on to the next group of nutrients. They are protective nutrients. Now protective nutrients include vitamins and minerals. We'll take up vitamins first. Vitamins, as we know, they are protective nutrients, and what is their role in our body? They protect us from diseases and help in maintaining good health. So the role of vitamins in our body is what? Protection from diseases and maintaining good health. Vitamins are needed by our body in small amounts, and there are different types of vitamins which are present in our food and needed by our body. Now let's learn about some of the vitamins. We have vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K. All these are needed by human body and it is present in different food items. These vitamins, they protect us from various diseases like night blindness, beriberi, scurvy, pellagra, etc. These diseases occur when our food does not contain enough of these vitamins. So it is very important for our body, and our food should have all these nutrients so that we can remain protected from all these diseases. I am repeating the names of all these diseases again: night blindness, beriberi, scurvy and pellagra. Why are they caused? They are caused because of the deficiency of vitamins in our body. Now, what are the food items that contains vitamins? Some food items which are rich in vitamins are fruits and vegetables, so they should be consumed by everyone. Other sources of vitamins include milk, meat and eggs. So, for a healthy life with protection from diseases, we should include vitamins in our diet. Now let's move on to the next protective nutrient, which is minerals. Minerals again, they are what? They are protective nutrient and again needed by body in small quantities. Now there are different minerals which are needed by our body. Some of them include calcium, iron, iodine, phosphorus and fluoride. All these are some of the important minerals which we need. Now all these minerals, they have different roles in our body. Like calcium. What is calcium needed for? Calcium is needed to build strong bones and teeth. Iron helps our blood to carry oxygen. Iodine protects us from goiter. Phosphorus, it again helps to build strong teeth and bones and also filters out waste from your kidneys. Fluoride, this mineral prevents tooth decay or dental cavities, which means damage to the structure of tooth. So different minerals have different roles in our body. Lack of these minerals cause what? It causes diseases. Now some of the deficiency diseases of minerals include anemia, goiter and tooth decay. So, diseases caused due to lack of minerals include what all? Anemia, goiter and tooth decay. I am repeating the names of these minerals again. Calcium, iron, iodine, phosphorus and fluoride. Anemia is caused due to lack of which mineral? Lack of iron. Goiter is caused due to lack of iodine in the body. And tooth decay because of fluoride. Lack of fluoride. Now the question is, how to get these minerals? Where to get them from? So, some of the sources of minerals include fruits and green leafy vegetables, along with milk and cereals. All these are what? They all are the sources of minerals. So let's have a quick recap of all the things that we learned today. We learned about nutrients including fats, vitamins and minerals. Fats are energy giving nutrients, vitamins and minerals are protective nutrients. Too much of fat should be avoided because it can cause obesity, heart diseases and diabetes. Vitamins are needed by body in small quantities and we require different vitamins like vitamin A, B, C, D, E and K. Then minerals, we need minerals like calcium, iron, iodine, phosphorus and fluoride. They are again needed by body in small quantities and lack of these minerals can cause diseases like anemia, goiter and tooth decay. That's all for today. But now I am going to give you some homework also. You have to read page number 24 of your book thoroughly. And then you also have to do the assignment which will be provided along with this video. Assignment should be done in your EVS classwork notebook. Thank you.